Hey y'all, it's Amy. Thanks for joining me today for another installment on my YouTube channel. We're going to jump right in today. I've already covered my canvas with some leftover paints from another project. I apologize for not getting it totally on camera, but I am loading my cup over there to the right. And these are just all leftover paints, and we're going to do a little wandering straight pour with these. And I say little because I actually don't go that far with it, but I'm still moving just a hair. As always, I put my recipes and colors down in my description box, along with some other things that I use that you may be interested in that link over to Amazon. But while you're down there, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get going on this one. For the most part on this video, I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy and watch, but I will pop in and out at certain places that need just a little more explanation. So what I'm doing now is loading up a second cup and then a third cup. And I'm gonna repeat that pour in the middle 2 more times. So I've got 3 pours. And I apologize that I don't have it on video because my camera quit recording for some reason. So here you can see I have all 3 of them painted, and it left a border in between each one, and I have added some of the DecoArt Crackle Ground on top of that to give it a little more texture. And then I'm gonna come in and paint that black. I didn't like the kind of beige color that we started out with in the background, and I just wanted something with a little more depth, and I feel like this really adds. black has dried and I want to apply some foil adhesive. I'm going to apply this adhesive with a paintbrush over those black crackle areas. After application, I let it set for a couple of hours to get to the right tackiness that it needs for the foil to adhere to it. I'm using foil sheets from Pebeo, and what I like about these is that they don't blow off and get foil everywhere. You just press the sheet on to the places that you have applied your adhesive. It's so easy to use and does not have the mess that all the flakes have. So here we are with the dried results. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. These are not colors that I normally use, but I'm kind of digging it. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time down on the canvas.